Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Isdone and Unarc dynamic link library error in a minute. So thanks to answer.microsoft.com and also a blackout41, a user to provide us this method in order to fix this error. Let's get started. And here we go, the Isdone.dynamic link library and Unarc dynamic link library error in Windows 10, mostly related to the installation of PC games. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may choose this error. So here, before you go about trying the methods to get rid of this error, there is one call to action that you must carry out. Check your PC configuration and see if it is compatible with the game or software that you are trying to install. Let's get started by hold Windows key and R button in order to open this run box, and you can try to type Isdone.dll, then click OK. Click Advanced, go to the performance settings, click it, and again click Advanced. There is a virtual memory. A paging file is in an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as EFFORTLESS RAM. Total paging file size for all drivers is 2.1 GB. You can change it. You can untick this box in order to manually manage paging file size for all drive. Click custom size and you can fill this blank like 400, and maximum size is about 3000. Now you can set. After that, you can click OK and apply and OK and restart your PC and try to reinstall the games. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.